Thane East. And if I'm saying you, this is unexplored, means this is unexplored totally by a lot of people. So I found it, and so a little bit I chit chat with them. So there are biggest history opening this shop, and the name of that shop, Vijay Snacks in Thane East. And so actually I'm recording there. So that is Vijay Snacks. You can see a lot of people, they are eating their snacks. So here I'm recording. So if I will tell you, there is a behind lot of stories. So this shop, they opened in 1976. Means when I asked to him how many years you have completed, so he told me almost 15 years. Like OMG, 50 years. And when I asked him any complaint or that your customer was giving you about foods, then he told me, no ma'am, till today there is no any complaint about my any snacks. And when I was coming, and when I was a lot of things I was observing, suppose if that they are serving any food or any snack, suppose mistakenly if it will fall in the floor, they will never serve that food, because I saw from my eyes. It was not like that people were there. No, literally they care about the customer. And I saw one thing also, like how they were cleaning all the dishes. There were their tap, and properly they were cleaning all the plates. Literally guys, this is hygienic actually, and this is very clean. And there is drinking water, and every time the cleaner are there. So they kept 2 cleaners to clean every plate and that area also where you are eating foods. And so for I think for 5 or 6 person for cleaning that all the plates, and very nicely, like how we clean at home, same and actually I saw from my eyes, I'm not lying. And guys, I tell you the always truth, whatever I see, exactly the way I'm telling you. And so there are there are a lot of things that in their menu, so it is unexplored. And so if you are coming to Vijay Snack, if you are coming in Thane East, please try their recipe, and there are a lot of good things. And Vijay Snacks is famous for vada pav, the best vada pav in Thane. And vada pav is there. Okay, then other bunch of menus are there, that is also it is famous all over Mumbai. They have only that snack. So there is I think actually I was little bit confused, I didn't understand what is this kande samose, something he told me. So when I asked him do you have only that snack, so he said yes, we have only. So previously one person, he has started in Kurla, but now he stopped. So all over Mumbai he have that kande samose or poha samosa like this. So when I will eat, so I will explore. And dhokla is also very famous. When I will show you that bunch of that menu, so you will say literally it's amazing. And today actually I knew this Vijay Snacks from my childhood, because beside that Vijay Snacks, my school is there. So I know very well. So wait, I will show you how you have to come here, how you will find. Okay. So they actually open their shop at 4. Inside they do all the work, but actual timing is opening this shop is 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. is the last max to max. So come between this time, and guys, every time I make sure I will tell the time, because you will not face the problem, you will not get in trouble. So this is my every time I need to tell you each and everything in detail. You can also enjoy good foods. And how you have to come. So what you have to do, suppose if you are coming from Thane East or from station, so like you can ask anyone like where is that Vijay Snacks, so they will tell. Otherwise, let me tell you. So how wait. So that is Rajendra Pal Mangla Hindi High School. This is big building. So like one road has, when you will come from the station, so straight come and take a right. Then when you will come right, so here is our Vijay Snacks corner is there. When I came here, a lot of crowd was there. Still crowd is there. You can see that how nicely they have prepared all the like this is here also sitting area, like you can see people are eating, and here also, and they have done all the arrangements properly. Here also you can see a lot of people, they are eating, and that is the cleaner. He is the cleaner. You can see like how he is cleaning each and everything. And let me show you that their drinking area. So here is also that garbage, that boxes are there, and that is there drinking, and you can clean your this is there drinking, cleaning. He's cleaning, collecting all the plates and cleaning very nicely. So there that contact number is also written there. So I think they take orders also. Are you excited? So let's try that all the menus they have the most favorite in their shop. So let's come with me, I will show you. So here is the menu that it has, I think a lot of, I think 63 menus are there. So choose whatever you like. I'm giving my order. So first I have taken that vada pav, and you can see that coconut chutney is yum. I have tried, so it will be yum, I know. And that sukha chutney, green chili, and vada pav. So I'm trying. So let's try. It's good. Chutney. That chutney is great actually. A lot of flavors are coming from the chutney, and in this vada pav, that in this vada pav, that garlic and green chili, a lot of flavors are coming from it, and that's great. And I will try this there sukha chutney also. This one. That's so great. It's also great. So let's try the next one, that they are most famous, that samosa poha. Okay? So while eating vada pav, there is a kokum sharbat. So while eating vada pav, you have to drink. So I have taken. So let's drink. That's great actually. I'm drinking and eating this here, and like everything is perfect. Like every taste is good. That green tea is also very good. So this kokum is really good. So while eating vada pav, you have to eat vada pav and you have to drink that kokum. So I have told you that poha samosa is very famous here. So actually I have given order. So I'm eating. So I will share how it is and what is special about this poha samosa. Let's try. And you know guys, this poha samosa in all over Mumbai only they have. I have told you that all the story in my introduction. Only in all over Mumbai that Vijay Snacks they serve that poha samosa. So let's try. So now I'm trying and can you see like how crunchy it is? See inside that you know the stuff is poha stuff. You can see that you know poha is there. So you can see that poha is there. That poha and with that poha samosa they have given this sukhi chutney something. So let's try. So I'm eating and see, let's see how the taste will. Actually, you know, the staff is very good. Actually, the person who told me about this, you know, what is famous here, that person is very cooperative and they were not rude. Actually, you know, some people they are very rude because you know when they earn good money from people and you know a lot of crowd comes, so they have you know some kind of attitude. Like in other shops I went there, so you know they were not allowing me to record. Like I just want to show their this, I don't want there any secret spices. But you know one thing I liked about here, that staff is very good and they are very supportive actually. Like they will help you very nicely. Ma'am, you know, eat here, ma'am, eat this, and ma'am, this is very famous. So I like this one quality in all over the staff. They are very good and you know, like they will never you know wait. They like if suppose that customer they want that you know food, so immediately you know like quickly like do this, do that, you know they will give the order to their other staff. Then immediately they pack all the you know stuff that customer they want for their food. That is good actually. We should not you know have any kind of attitude, because see when we will show attitude then no one will come to other shop. And today you know if I'm recording here, so it's you know their benefit. You guys will watch videos, then you will come here, you will also know about the taste, right? So you know people should like this. I know everyone is not like there are some of people who are very good. So let's try. Here is that one bite. I'm actually trying first time that poha samosa. I haven't tried in my life. That's great actually. The samosa is very crunchy and the poha filling is there. So if you are a poha lover like me, then you can eat this you know poha samosa, otherwise you won't. Because really this samosa is really too delicious, and with that sukhi chutney, the you know more taste has increased because of that sukhi chutney. So let's try other one that what is famous, that cutlet or I think dhokla. So let's try that. So in my previously video I going to try that dhokla and cutlet. So let's try. So this is my cutlet and I'm eating with green chutney. Actually green and sweet, they both mixed in this plate. So this is here and it's quite hot. That's great. And like I observed one thing. Immediately they are take out all the snacks very hot. Like if suppose it's about to come that snack, so they are telling to that person, please wait for quite a minute. You will get hot snacks. So when I ordered this cutlet, so he was saying just wait for 2 minutes, ma'am. You will get hot that cutlet. Then I said great, and it's good actually. Wow. And can you see how long it is? Like it's amazing, and you will get 2 cutlet in 1 plate. So it's good actually. And I can taste that potato is actually cooked nicely. Like whenever I ate my first bite, so quickly it melted in my mouth. So another I am taking my bite. And that inside the spices are also very good. That peanuts are there, so it's quite good actually. You can eat this snacks. So I told then I will try that my favorite dhokla. And dhokla is quite looking so big. So here is the dhokla. Actually I'm not using spoon. Instead of spoon I will eat by my hand. So it's quite amazing, delicious, and spongy also. You can see that how spongy it is, and this is also very big in size. Oh my god. And the taste is quite delicious. Yum. Actually this Vijay snacks is good for snacks, and when you will come here your stomach get filled. Like I had vada pav and I had lot of things. Oh my god, that all were delicious, all were yum. So if you are coming to Thane East, please must visit to Vijay Snacks Corner. And if you like my video, like, share and subscribe and follow for more videos. And my one request to you, all of you guys, support street foods, because I know their shops are very small, but their food are very good in quality. Whatever product they use, that products are so hygienic. And make sure they are very good by their heart, and they speak very nicely with people. So must visit to Vijay Snacks Corner. And thank you for watching my videos. I will meet you in my next vlog, and till then take care and bye everyone.